Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove apps and S Pen features to the Air Command shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in the quick settings menu, tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we scroll down, then tap on advanced features. Next, tap on S Pen, then tap on Air Command. In here, go down and tap on shortcuts. And then in the list here, at the moment, I have 2 shortcuts added to the Air Command. So on the left hand side, there is the S Pen features section and the all apps. So if you go to the S Pen features, you can add in a shortcut. So here I can add in create note shortcut. I can add in magnify and write on calendar. Now I can also go down to the all apps section and tap on calendar, contacts, gallery, Facebook, and so on. So there are a lot of apps that you can add to the shortcut right here. And to remove a shortcut, simply just tap on the remove button in your shortcuts bar on the right hand side. And then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now if you tap on your S Pen shortcut menu here, it will bring up a list, and from the list you can quickly access one of your shortcuts, such as open up the gallery app. And here you can tap on the shortcut and then tap on the add button to add in more shortcuts directly from the Air Command shortcut bar. I can also tap on that and then quickly go into settings by tapping on the settings icon over here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.